Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
That is why Paseo Katubuan said that PSA requires an authorization letter before the document can be released except when he or she is the owner himself, parent, spouse, direct descendant, legal guardian, or institution in charge if the child is minor.
Take our lead.
You can either do the traditional walk-in application at designated offices or eliminate all the hassles by ordering online. This definitive guide presents different ways to get your PSA birth certificate fast whether you're in the Philippines or anywhere in the world.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your child has only the old NSO birth certificate, you can still use it instead of the new one issued by the PSA. According to the memo, you can submit a birth certificate issued by the local registrar or even a barangay certification containing your child's information in the absence of a PSA birth certificate.
Take our lead.
It is the same birth certificate issued currently by the PSA. The only difference between PSA and NSO issued birth certificates is the logo. PSA also made it clear that even when they changed some features of the security paper, SCCPA, color, font, etc.,
Make your mark, take our lead.
Signed authorization letter from the birth certificate owner. Valid ID, with photo and signature, of the birth certificate owner. The authorized representative's valid ID, with photo and signature. If the document owner is a minor, you need an authorization from the child's legal guardian or institution in charge.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.